The cookies are almost ready.
They are. We're going to do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The buzzer went off. It is cookie time. Okay, right here on the mat.
So
oh, they look beautiful. What do you think?
I think that I'm excited to give those a try.
I think I am too.
Hey, if you want to know more secret ingredients, and specifically the secret ingredient to a joy-filled life, we invite you to join us for our retreat entitled The Secret Ingredients. That was really good. That's really good.
The secret ingredient, vanilla pudding mix. Oh my goodness. See you next time at The Secret Ingredient.